In this video, I will show you how to crop image to shape in Canva. So there are a few ways to do that. So the first step is to simply add your image to your Canva design. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to elements and then scroll down until you see frames. Now, as you can see, you have frames, grids, and mockups. So simply click on see all. And as you can see here, you have basic shapes, film and photo, devices, paper, and other options. So you're gonna have to simply click on any of these to add them to your project. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate this photo. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply drag this over. And as you can see, you're gonna have this photo into this shape. So you can also double click on it to change the size and the position if you want, as you can see. And you can use all these frames for free. So let me add more frames just to show you, as you can see. So let me copy this again, and as you can see right here. Now if you want to create custom shapes, what you're gonna have to do is simply go to apps here, and then you're gonna have to click on photos. So let me go back. No, so we're gonna have to go to apps again and then scroll down, and then you're gonna have to scroll until you find an app that will allow you to create custom shapes. So let's scroll down until we found it. So as you can see, we have frame maker. So this one here, click on it, then click on open. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply create your custom shapes. So as you can see, you can add different shapes. Here you can change the grid columns. Here you can remove grid snapping. And as you can see, you're gonna have to double click anywhere on the preview to create a new point. And after that, you're gonna have to simply click on add to design, and then you can simply add your photo. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.